Progress.
Started. Okay.
Yeah.
Yesterday we have seen the last topic is this
Loud.
upload, upload,
Yeah.
and also like we have seen the mostly drop downs, multiple types of drop
Yeah.
we have seen. Drop down with
Yeah.
select tag. So if you go there, just like a heads up, right? Okay, where is the drop down?
It's the drop down
Hmm.
with the select.
So we have seen all these options.
Yes.
Yesterday, okay. And how can you do the assertions also and the looping also? Everything we have seen. Just practice this until and unless you
Yeah.
practice, you won't remember this, okay? So we don't
Yeah.
all the things every day, right? So that is why you may
Yeah.
forget. So method and all,
Yeah.
but real implementation part and all, you have to try. So we have tried with
Yeah.
options, with label, you and value and index and everything, and how to get the count also, and how to compare that, and how to validate with the truth byte. Okay, get the text context also we learn, and also to have
Yeah.
also we have learned. So these are all the to be truthy. So these are all you are going to use it. If you just to listen and forget it, you cannot remember. Okay, so just do that.
Yeah.
And today we can go with the upload we have seen also, right? So for this,
Yeah.
right, there is an upload button,
Yeah.
right? In that, what is
Yeah.
to do the upload? Set input files.
Input
Set
files. Yeah.
input files. So it means, for example, this is the one is there.
Mhm.
Just high level. Just we'll go and we'll go with the download after this. Okay.
Download.
Yeah. So this is the one. This is the upload one is there. So in this, what we
Yeah.
did. So this is the set input files. This locator is
Yeah.
this locator is file input. Where is that
Yeah.
locator object? Where is that locator object? This is the locator object.
Budget.
This is the locator.
Yeah.
First, you have to take the locator for this input. This input one, which is this one. If you go and see,
File input. File input.
yeah, this is what file input. This the test ID is equal to file input. That is why
Mhm.
ID is equal file input, right? ID is equal file input.
Yeah.
So that is why,
Yeah.
where is this? Yeah, that is why ID means hash and file input. So it means
Hash.
we are identified this object, we are identified this object and set input files. So this is the method you have to remember. So in this, we are putting a
Yeah.
input file. So file path we can give here. So directly I given this in the basic model. So in advanced, I can tell how to get the path and all those things also. But as of now, just you can give your project folder path, and what is the file
Yeah.
path, whatever the file you have, you can upload here.
Yeah.
And after
Yeah.
this, it is not enough. After this, it is not enough. You have to click on upload also, right? You have to click
Yeah.
on upload. So that is why this is the click file submit. So if you see here for this, what is the for this what locator file submit? ID is equal file.
File submit. File submit.
So this is the ID is hash and file submit. So there is a two things.
Submit.
First, we need the locator for this, and for this file input, and you have to give the file name and file path. And here next, you have to click on this. How you are doing manual.
Yeah.
The same thing. First, you have
Yeah.
to launch this website, and then you can close.
Yeah.
So this is what we have worked on. It is working fine. Okay, I'm just closing this. Okay. Now,
Okay.
going with the
ऐसा हाथ लड़ते रहो.
hello, hello.
Thank you.
Shall we continue?
Yeah, I just explained. Yeah.
No problem. Okay, today we are going to do the download file. We are
Yeah.
going to do the first one is the download one, right? The
Yeah.
homework and all we are done. So whatever it is,
Yeah.
you are doing download file. First what you need, this is the one. You have to import. You have to import this, right? Anyways, this way also you can import. You can just multiple ways we can try. So this is the one we can do. And also like what you are going to do, you have to write a test, right? You have to
Mhm.
write
Yeah.
a test. So what is the test? So this is the test. So the test name is file download sample we are doing. And for this first
Yeah.
is you have to navigate. You have to navigate to
Yeah.
this website, right? This is the one sample website I identified. Easily we can try
Yeah.
kind of download.
Mm.
Okay. If you
Yeah.
go to the same website, I guess the same website. Hmm. So here, if I go to here, demo QA, in this, there is a download is there. This download we are going to.
Yeah.
If you click download,
Got it.
going to happen. If you click download, if you see here, it is downloading. You saw right side?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this one we have
Yeah.
to handle now. So only thing is the clicking down is very simple. You can click also. But after clicking the
Yeah.
download, where that file is storing, that is the important point, right?
Yeah.
That is the important point. So now this is the code we can try here. Where is that? Where is that? Yeah. So first you are launching this. First you are launching.
Yeah.
After that, the next step is you have to do the one thing here. This is like set up the event listener promise before acting. So this is the download, right? So when you click on download, it will not download very quickly. Sometimes it will take
Yeah.
download based on the file size and all it will do. So that is why you
Yeah.
can do this is the wait for event. This is also
Yeah.
Playwright's method. In the Playwright, there
Yeah.
wait for event is there. What event you want to do?
Yeah.
Download event. So if you see is
Yeah.
isolated page instance created for each test, pages are isolated between tests due to the features.context isolation. So this is for the
Yeah.
event to happen. So actually for this, the return value is promise only. So just you can take
Yeah.
promise. Okay. And
Yeah.
then the third step is you have to click on the download. What you are going to do?
Yeah.
You have to do the click on the download.
Download.
See, this is
Yeah.
the perform the click element action that trigger the download stream. So what is the download here?
Yeah.
Think where is that website? You closed it? Yeah, yeah, it is there. No? So this
Yeah.
is the download. So for this download, what do you want? You need a locator to
I
click.
want to. Yeah. Yeah.
You need a locator to click on that. Right? Where is that? Yeah.
Yeah.
So what is the locator? This is the download button I have taken. So if you see here, there is a ID is
Yeah.
equal to download.
Download
Yeah, ID
button.
is equal to download button is there. ID is equal
Yeah.
to download button. So you can try anything
Yeah.
else also. The role also there is a button and the name will
Yeah.
be download. So in this get by role and button comma name is equal download. This locator also you can, you know,
Yeah.
right? So for example,
Yeah.
if I
Got it.
take this, oh sorry, it is going like this. Ah, what is this? It is asking to, mm-hmm. Okay, I'm just clicking here. There is a get by role method.
Yeah.
If you see, get by role of await
Yeah.
dot get by role. This is a
Button. Yeah.
button, and name is
Button.
equal to download. Name means the text whatever
Yeah.
is coming there. And
Yeah.
what I'm using is locator of get by okay download button. This one I'm using.
Yeah.
Right, this one I'm using.
Yeah.
You can use anything. You try with
Yeah.
the many things, and you try to understand which is working, which is not working, why it is not working.
Yeah.
You can try. So here
Yeah.
is the download button. Locator of download button, page dot locator of await. Always you have to use the await, right? You remember. So this is the next step to click on the download. Next, what
Yeah.
you have to do? Next, what you have to do is this one. One more step is there here actually. So the step is resolve the promise. This is the promise, right? This is the resolve
Mhm.
the promise to extract the download details. So you have to do the await download promise. This one we can write in one line also here await and here, but with the steps, proper steps, you are writing. This is the download promise. This download promise we are waiting because this is the
Yeah.
asynchronous. As this is
Mm.
asynchronous, the return value will be the promise. Just you can give any name here. Just you can give
Yeah.
so something download PR or something, any name you can give. But we are given that just like
Yeah.
a download promise. And the further same download promise object, we are awaiting. We are awaiting. And
Yeah.
this is the constant, which is the download. It is coming here, right? And next,
Mm.
what you have to do, actual thing you have to do. So you are clicked on download. Already you are clicked on download. What is going to happen? It is going to store, right? It is going
Yeah.
to download and it is, for example, if you see here, it is already we tried and it is went to here something. If you whenever click on download, it is going and storing some temporary path, whatever
Yeah.
whatever it is defined by the your Windows, right? So something, if
Yeah.
you go to the settings and see, you can see download path we used to give. So for me, the download path is downloads folder only. Downloads folder only.
Yeah.
So here also, but we don't know. Sometimes if you given,
Yeah.
if your system is already defined with the another path, so it will store there. So but you need to know what is that path.
Yeah.
No, that is, so this is the suggested file path. So this is the one method. For example, this is the download promise. This is the download promise constant, right? For this, you can get a one method called suggested file name. So if you go to this method, return suggested file name for this download. It is typically computed by the browser from the. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
suggested file name which is it is storing here, because we are not
Yeah.
any path, means it is taking the suggested download path. Got it?
Yeah.
This is the one.
Yeah.
And I will try to take, okay, this is the one. And then the next step is, so if you see here, this is the save path and download dot save as save path. So suggested
Yeah.
path will give the same path it is coming here, and we are storing that path here. And we wanted to
Yeah.
see what is the download dot suggested file path, or you can give this directly save path also here, directly save path also. For
Yeah.
example, this is the save path, right? So where it is stored,
Yeah.
if you want to see, this is the console.log. So you can see successfully verified and downloaded this one. Like this you can do. Now you understand?
Yeah.
Main thing is you
Yeah.
have to wait for the event, and then you have to click on that download. For that you need to know
Yeah.
the, and you have to await for that. And after that you have to find what is the path, which path it is stored. You need to know. So to that,
Yeah.
you need
If
to,
it is automatically saving one path, we don't need to add that one, isn't it? That line.
yeah, no, it is automatically only storing, but we need to know where it is. We need to know where
Yeah.
it is. To understand that, we need this. Okay, I'm just running this.
Yeah.
I'll just run this. Where is that? Test, test, and what is the name? Download file. Download file. See, it is clicked and it is came to here.
Yeah.
It is stored.
Yes.
We are not closing this window. Okay. That is why it is
Yeah.
not closed. And you can see the path is here.
Yeah.
Sample file.jpeg. This is the path it is mentioned. So it means it is not
Yeah.
the full path. Why it is not given full path means normally it will, as per this logic, suggested path. Okay, do one thing. So here this playwright will give the suggest the one path. What is the path it is
Yeah.
suggest is the this script where it is. This script where it is in that path only. It is asking to store it. For example, if I go here,
Yeah.
see this, where is this? If I go here and see this, where is this? Where is this? This is removed. Okay, okay. So it is automatically creating. But for example, if I click again, if I go here, this path is not coming. Let me go and see, show you. Yeah, this is our project path, This is our project
Yes.
playwright with JavaScript into E2E. In this, what is the
Yeah.
file name we are given here? What is the file name we are given? What is the file name? It is coming sample
Su-
file.jpg is coming. This is the
yeah.
suggested file name.
Suggest. Yeah.
So this is what it is given. So sample file dot. Okay. In this, it is created a downloads folder. In this download
Yeah.
folder, sample file dot JPEG stored. So this is the
Yeah.
actually this is the path. Okay, this is what where it is. So because the dir name we are mentioned like a create as a downloads folder, we mentioned here.
Yeah.
So downloads folder we are mentioned. So download,
Yeah.
it means where this downloads folder will create. This download folder will create under the E2E because our script is in the E2E. Our script is in the
Yeah.
E2E. That is why it is
Yeah.
created in the E2E. For example, if you want
Yeah.
to store this in different folder, you can give it Playwright with JavaScript. Okay, directly
Yeah.
you can give that
Yeah.
path also. And here,
Mhm.
this is suggested file name we are given. If you want, you can give your own name also.
Yeah.
I will copy this, paste this. Okay. In this, for example, first we are saying that it should be downloads folder. Okay. Under
Yeah.
downloads folder,
Yeah.
what is the file name you want to give? You want to give. So here it is sample file.jpg, right? So download,
Yeah.
I will give download file.jpeg.
Yeah.
JPEG, something like that I given. So it means in this folder, it
But
will,
you're changing format also now, isn't it? It's a JPEG, it's a picture format, isn't it?
yeah, it is downloading picture. So that is why I given the JPEG.
Before it was text, isn't it?
No, no, JPEG only. If you see here, it is JPEG.
Okay. No, no, I thought it's TXT.
No, no, if I am writing, that is autocomplete, it is giving TXT. Don't confuse with that.
Yeah,
Okay, now
got
this
it.
is the save path. So in which path you want to save? You want to save under the downloads and this one. So what is this
Yeah.
dir? Dir name. So this is the one of the method under the path. So this is the path is the one of the module in the JavaScript. This is the module path.
Yeah.
Using that, we will concatenate the path and we can create the one path. So it will take dir
Yeah.
means it will take the this project path where this file is there. Where this file is there,
Yeah.
that it will give. And after that, whatever you are giving, it will create it. For example, if you
Yeah.
want to see, for example, if you want to see, I will just tell you console.log dir path, for example, right? For example, you want
Yeah.
dir underscore path, dir underscore path, comma, this is the dir, right? This is the dir
Yeah.
you are using, dir name. So it means directory name. Dir name means directory name. Which directory name?
Yeah.
The folder where this file is there, that directory name. So it will give the
Yes.
directory name. Okay, just for
Yeah.
understanding, I'm just saying. Now, after
Yeah.
that, you can do the this one like
Yeah.
console.log console.log saved path. Yeah, this is the save path. Save path. I want to see the where this file is entirely storing. This is will give just
Yeah.
directory path. But after that, we are asking to create a downloads folder. Under the downloads folder, I am asking it to save the file with this name. So it will give the total path name.
Yeah.
This is also same
Yeah.
actually. Just call. I will,
Yeah.
okay, let it be. And then it will store here. Okay. Now let me run.
Yes.
Now let me run this. This is the file download sample. That name is came here. See which test it is running.
Yeah.
File download sample. See,
Download click.
yeah. Now if you see dir path, this is the dir path. It means when we
Yeah.
use this path module and asking to check where I am. First, it need to know
Yeah.
where I am, right? So it is checking
Yeah.
where I am. It is at this where I am means this file download underscore file
Yeah.
dot js where it is playwright under F folder playwright with JavaScript under etu e2e. If you put a
Yeah.
mouse here, if you put a mouse here,
Yeah.
you can see what is the path it is showing. F playwright.
It's a JavaScript read. Yeah.
Under that, this file name is there. Okay, now under that, what we ask to do the downloads folder. So it is created a downloads folder and download file.jpeg, download file.jpeg, and this is the save path. So save path.
Yeah.
And this
Yeah.
also give the same name. Successfully
Yeah.
verified and download. Successfully verified and download. Download dot suggested file name. This is the suggested file
Yeah.
name here. But we are not going
Yeah.
to save into the suggested file name. We are going to save into
Yeah.
the whatever we want. So now the file will be where it will store under downloads. Download file.jpeg, not the sample file.jpeg. Let's go and see.
Yeah.
Under the downloads, see.
Yeah. Download file.
Downloaded file.jpeg.
Yeah.
Downloaded
Yeah.
file.jpeg. If you see, this is an
Got
image.
it.
So, for example, if
Yeah.
you want to give any name, you can give it. Any path also,
Yeah.
you can
If
give.
I now it's we are saving as a whatever the name we want. Now I don't want to save as a what name, but I want to see download. Then I want to see where it is saved, which path it's saved, and what are the name of files. How can I see those things?
So, this is what, whenever you are doing automation, right? Whenever you are doing automation, it should be in your control. It should be in your control.
Yeah.
The file, whatever you are downloading, it should be where you want, you have to give the path.
No,
Where
I don't want to save anywhere, but I want to see actually, what you said in step 5. I got it. This is saving whatever the name we want it, and which is the path we want it. That's saved. That's completely I understood. Now I want to know the file automatically where it is saved and how many. What are the files it's downloaded? How can I check those things?
we'll try. Okay. See, if you don't want to give the path and all, right? Let me come.
Yeah, yeah, just keep it that. Then,
Yeah.
yeah, the next step, yeah, I want to see which file is down, which path all the files downloaded, and what are the files downloaded.
Okay. Let's download. Let's run this. Okay. Let's see what is going to happen. Let's see.
Yeah, yeah,
Normally, it should download in the downloads folder, which is in my system. It is configured,
yeah,
but I know. But let's see.
yeah,
See, it is downloaded. If you
yeah.
306, this is the file name.
Yeah, where should
303.
yeah, that I can see manually. How I can see through the automatically what are the files it's
We'll
saved.
see. We'll see. We'll see. One second. Where is my download? Ah, is the samples. We'll see. We will ask where it is stored. That's what we want, right? We'll ask this, okay?
Where it is stored
Yeah.
and what file it is store saved.
When I ran attached, right?
Yeah,
spec.js. Okay. File is downloading. Then
yeah.
want to know where it is
It is saved,
stored. Yeah, where
stored,
it is
and what are the files?
saved and what is the
File
file
name.
name, right? What is the file name? Okay, please
Yeah,
provide those details and update the script to know that path. Let's see what it is going to do. Okay, now, yeah, what it is doing is, if you see here, file name is equal download dot suggested file path, and console
yeah,
log is equal file name. So this is the code only it is giving.
Yeah.
Okay. So always it is expecting this code, okay, to see. Otherwise, what is happening, it is just downloading and deleting that file, if you observe, right?
Yeah.
So
That site is like that. It's deleting itself. Yeah, got
yeah,
it.
yeah. So make sure the downloads folder exists in your directory or the test will fail. You can create it manually or the script will error and tell, okay. So it is, I have uploaded your script to capture and display. Okay, capture the file name. This gets the actual downloaded file name. Downloaded, download suggested file name. Okay, always it is expecting this. Download the suggested file name. Hmm.
Yeah,
What?
it's there already. Constant file name is equal to downloaded session. It will give file name. Yeah, isn't it? What
Hmm.
file is downloaded, isn't it?
This
Then it will save that file in download folder, isn't it? Okay, got it.
and here save path is equal to this is what file name and it is
Name, it will be downloaded folder. Yeah. Can
yeah.
we run that one also?
Yeah. I'll just keep it. Okay, I just kept it the file whatever the code it is. Let us
Oh, did we lose other thing? What were we hide?
yeah, we will lose, but don't worry. I will make it that also. Okay, let it run now first.
Yeah, I just want to see both.
Mm. Okay, let's run the same code what we written only actually. But if you want
Yeah.
to see, you should write that way.
Yeah. That one is we are giving one name to the file, isn't it? That one also I want to see.
No, first time we are not given any name to the file. It is suggested. If you want, you can give. That's what I explained in the second. But first, what I used
Yeah.
suggested file name method only I used. If you remember, right?
Yeah.
Suggested file name only we used. Yeah, it is.
Open. The click download.
Okay, now.
File name, sample name, full path. Okay, got it. Could I please get this code also on
Yeah,
my
file
side?
path, it is given sample file.jpg. That is what it is
Yeah.
giving a some suggested file name
Yeah.
and it is doing.
Yeah. Could you please send me this code to me also? Yeah,
Now,
so I can answer.
yeah, is it received? Why it is showing this many lines here? Looks like this itself 1,000 lines only it is accepting. 1 second, let
But
me.
this is good. Yeah, giving comments. That's why it's more clear later.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah,
Mm.
before we are just running. If I'm not seeing anything doubt, I need to watch all the videos. But it's good. It's really good comments. I can clearly understand after
Yeah.
in later.
Okay, no problem. Let me send you these two parts. Okay, let me send you these two parts. First part
Yeah.
is because that is size is not accepting. And
Okay, got it. Thank you.
then this is the second part I'm just saying. The second part I'm saying. Okay, just copy paste these two things one after another and just run it.
Yeah, sure. What is second part? Number four. Number four. Okay. Yeah, this is good actually. When you're giving command, it's really good. Nice.
Yes. We'll do going forward also, we'll do that.
Yeah. Mm, yeah, got it. Save, run, connect again, then download, run. If I want to see this file is open, not running. No, it's not running. Run. Running. File sample. Open the file. And that's this one. Download. Yeah, it's fast. Got it.
Fast, very
Thank
good.
you. Yeah.
Very. Okay, let's go with the next one. Okay.
Yeah.
You want to
Yeah, I like this one. I like this because sometimes I when we are checking code is confused, so then I need to Yeah, because this is clearly understanding what we are doing actually, the navigation setup, clear
Ex-
line setup.
Exactly, exactly. Okay. So do you want to update the code? Okay, you can you update the code with your own name tomorrow as an assignment?
Yeah,
So I'll
sure.
already shown you. So just you have to give
Yeah,
here this here file name. You have to create your own. This is your
yeah,
suggested file name. It is coming here, but don't you no need of these lines of code. Just here directly you
yeah,
can give the file name, and here also whatever the folder name you want you can give downloads or something images or something, right? So whatever the
yeah,
name you can give, and based on that it will store.
yeah,
This save path will be same. Okay, can you?
yeah,
Okay, good.
yeah,
Okay, now let's start another thing, which is drag and drop. Okay, drag and drop we are
yeah.
not. Okay, this is the drag and drop. Drag and drop. Okay, this is the drag and drop. So drag and drop means, do you know what is drag and drop? Do you know what is drag?
Yeah, drag, then drop.
Yeah. So one place to another place, you can drag the
Yeah,
any type element. You can drag the any
yeah,
type element. Okay. So
yeah,
let's do a drag and drop this. Okay. Let me write the code
yeah.
and we will explain. Okay. Okay. For this, just import test export. This is as usual we are doing. And then
Drag and drop.
yes, I'm going to do the test name is drag and drop example. Okay.
Yeah,
Drag and drop example. Drag and drop example. Okay. Now, so first what you have to do, whatever you want to do, first you have to launch the browser, launch the website, right?
yeah.
So today we are for drag and drop, I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use this website. Okay, here, this is the one we are going to do. This is the drag and drop is there. So here you can drag me to my target here, drop here. For example,
Yeah,
if you put here your mouse and hold it left side and you can move it. You understand?
yeah.
Yeah. So like this is called the source and this is called the destination. From this source, you have to drag to
Yes.
this destination. This source to this destination.
Yeah,
See, drag and drops also many types of pages people will create, but this is the one of the option we are going to see today. This is the one of the option we are going to see today.
yes.
Okay, for that, first you need source and target. You need the source and target. As I told you, you need to know where is the source, where is the target, right?
Yeah,
This is called the source. Locate, locate source and
source and
target elements, right?
target.
First step.
Yes.
This is the first step. Locate
Yeah,
source target elements. So here, if you see, this is the source and
yeah,
target I already given. Let's see, is it correct or wrong? So for example, if you see here, this is the inspect. This is the inspect. If you go here, what is the locator I given? This is the CSS, which is ID draggable. ID draggable, right? Hash means ID
draggable. Yeah,
draggable. This
draggable.
ID
Yeah.
is ID with draggable. Is it there? Yeah, this is the draggable, ID with draggable. This is the object.
Mm-mm.
Okay. This is the
Mm.
object. If we can
Yeah,
close, this is the object. ID with draggable. Full object is
yeah,
ID is equal to draggable. This
yeah,
is just inside the text, okay? But this is the full div
yeah,
object, which is the ID is equal draggable. That is why hash. The
yeah,
uh, CSS is hash and draggable. Hash and draggable. Got it? And then
yeah,
we need the destination. We need the target. What
yeah,
are the source and
yeah,
target? So target, it is droppable. It is droppable.
Yeah.
If you see here, what is the div?
Got
ID
it.
is equal to droppable. ID is equal to droppable. As
Yeah.
the testing websites, you can see easily, but real time something little bit complex to identify objects. Okay, you have to be more practice.
Yeah.
Now this is the drag
Yeah.
and this is the source and the target.
Droppable.
Okay, now you know what is the source and what is the target. Now you have to do the now what you have to do? You have to do the drag and drop operation.
Drop, then drag action. Yeah.
Yeah, drag and drop, not drop and drag. You have to drag and drop there. So for
Drop. Yeah.
this is the method. Await,
Yeah.
sorry, await, await source dot. This is the source dot drag to target. Okay, this is the
Yeah.
source. Okay, you drag to this target. So this is the one you have to remember. Drag to method using the drag to
Yeah.
using. In interviews, they will ask you what is the method you use to drag and drop.
Yeah.
The method use drag and drop. So this is the drag to method. So it means it will drag from there to
Yeah.
here. And then
Yeah.
you have to do the some await also. You have to do the
Yeah.
because immediately it may not happen. Na? So expect
Yeah.
target to contains text, whether the target it is there or not. This is for the verification, whether it is dragged or not. Drag verification. So your verification always will be verification or what you can say validation. Expect in the
Yeah.
target whether this dropped is there or not. This dropped is there or not.
Yeah.
Contains text dropped. So right, this is what we are going to do, and then
Yeah. Close it.
we are closing it. We are not doing any close. Okay. I'm not doing any close browser or close application. So this is the simple
Okay.
code, one of the first option. This is the first way, or first kind of
Yeah.
drag and drop. So let's run this.
Yeah.
Drag and drop, right? Okay. Okay, it is open.
Yeah. Then identify source and target locator.
Yes. See, it is dragged. It is dragged. Did you observe?
Yeah.
This drag
Yes.
to my target was here. But now if you see it
Yeah.
here, so it means it's moved to here. It is dragged to here. It is dragged to here. So test
Yeah.
was
I
passed.
said could I please take 2 minutes break? Yeah. Could I please take 2 minutes
Yeah,
break?
yeah, yeah, sure, sure. You can take.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah, no problem.